Life is a beautiful ride here at 1405 Bridge Street in New Dundee. This gorgeous 2.5-story Century home has a 5-car heated garage shop. So buckle up, let's go. As you enter the home, a spacious living room and dining room provide the perfect setting for gatherings. You will be impressed by the custom woodworking and original pine floors. The eat-in kitchen offers both functionality and style with its own mudroom. Facing the yard, a sunlit family room features a cozy gas fireplace and generously sized windows for year-round enjoyment. Additionally, the main floor includes a convenient bedroom and a full bathroom and a walkout to the yard. On the second level, you'll discover 2 large bedrooms. The primary bedroom has its own ensuite privilege. The bathroom is a dream with a jetted tub and laundry. I mean, everyone dreams of doing laundry during a soak. Shift up a few levels to the walk-up attic with over 250 square feet of extra living space. So if you're ready to put the pedal to the metal, call Helen's team today because this shop isn't mine and it should be yours.